Hello everyone! Ready to take your cooking game to the next level? Today, we're diving into 30 brilliant OXO gadgets that will not only simplify your kitchen tasks, but also help you whip up tastier meals with ease. Let's kick things off with the tools you definitely don't want to miss. The first gadget is the OXO Egg Poacher. These egg poachers mimic traditional water bath methods, keeping your eggs perfectly contained. The clever funnel shape prevents yolks from breaking, while the high heat-resistant silicone is easy to clean. Plus, it collapses for compact storage. BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, they're a total breakfast win. Shaken, not stirred. Stainless steel cocktail shaker features a leak-proof design with silicone gaskets. The cap doubles as a jigger, complete with measurement markings, making it super easy to craft your favorite drinks. With a 24-ounce capacity, you'll be the life of the party in no time. Next up, the OXO Good Grips Pop Container Set, your ultimate pantry organizer. 20-piece set gives you airtight, stackable containers to keep dry foods fresh. Plus, the 8-piece baking essential set is a game changer, with containers perfectly sized for flour, sugar, and even chocolate chips. Both sets are dishwasher safe, feature easy push-button seals, fill lines, and curved corners for effortless pouring. Whether you're meal prepping or just keeping things tidy, these sets have got your storage covered. Cook like a chef with this durable cookware set. Featuring non-stick frying pans and versatile saucepans, the tri-ply construction ensures even heat distribution. Lightweight, contoured handles make cooking comfortable, while double-duty knobs create a handy resting place for tools. Plus, they're free from harmful chemicals, so you can cook with confidence. Keep your drinks secure with this nifty fridge mat. Non-slip ridges prevent cans and bottles from sliding around, while its double-sided design fits perfectly in bins or trays. Slim and easy to store, this mat is dishwasher safe and makes organizing your fridge a breeze. Coffee lovers rejoice. This OXO Brew 9-cup programmable coffee maker pairs perfectly with the OXO Brew conical burr grinder. The microprocessor-controlled brew cycle mimics the pour-over method, ensuring every cup is SCA-certified perfection. With 15 grind settings, you'll be sipping the best coffee in no time. Boil eggs like a champ. This egg rack fits perfectly in pressure and multi-cookers, holding up to 9 eggs upright for consistent cooking. Made of food-grade silicone, it's a breeze to clean. You can even stack 2 racks for 18 eggs. Plus, it doubles as a trivet, versatile and dishwasher safe. Mango lovers, this one's for you. The OXO Mango Slicer makes slicing, scoring, and scooping a total breeze. Its serrated blade glides through fruit, easily halving and removing the pit. The unique scoop efficiently extracts mango halves and cubes from the skin. Quick and safe, and yes, it's dishwasher safe too. Say hello to the ultimate mixing bowl set. This trio includes a 1.5-quart, 3-quart, and 5-quart stainless steel bowl. The interiors won't retain odors or colors, while the white plastic exteriors keep your hands safe from heat. With non-skid bottoms for stability and compact nesting for storage, these bowls are a must-have. Get your greens dry with this fantastic salad spinner. The one-handed pump makes drying super easy, and the patented brake stops the basket instantly. With a removable spinner basket that works as a colander and a non-skid base for stability, it's a kitchen essential. Plus, the clear bowl is perfect for serving or storage. Dry dishes with ease. The OXO Foldaway dish rack has a pop-up plate rack to safely hold your delicate plates, bowls, and fine china. When the rack is down, it can handle larger items like cookware. Its removable utensil holders make unloading a breeze, and fold-out legs elevate the rack for proper draining. Plus, it folds up nice and compact for easy storage. Perfect for any kitchen. Get organized like never before. This wall-mounted organizer is customizable for all those hard-to-store items. Expanding from 15 to 24 inches, it's perfect for locking in tools like brooms or dusters with just a one-handed push. Need to switch it up? No problem. You can rearrange hooks anytime, making it ideal for your closet, mudroom, or garage. Make composting a breeze with the OXO Compost bin. It's perfectly sized for countertop use, with a flip-up lid for easy filling that locks in odors when closed. The smooth interior prevents food buildup, and the contoured bottom makes emptying mess-free. Plus, with a rotating handle, taking it to your outdoor composter couldn't be easier. Say goodbye to clogged drains. The OXO Drain Protector fits both flat and pop-up drains, catching hair while still allowing water to flow smoothly. With a weighted stainless steel accent to keep it in place, it won't budge, and the silicone edges fit snugly on the tub surface. It's rust-resistant for long-lasting use, too. Make organizing a spin. These OXO turntables feature a soft, non-slip lip for easy turning and a deep ledge to keep items in place. The larger base means no bumping into walls, while non-slip rubber feet protect your surfaces. Plus, durable steel ball bearings ensure smooth rotation every time. Got a minute? That's all you need with the OXO Microwave Egg Cooker. Make scrambled or fried eggs in a flash, perfect for breakfast sandwiches. The curved bottom helps center the yolk for flawless fried eggs, while the removable base lets you easily transfer your eggs to toast or a plate. Plus, its cool handle makes it microwave-safe and dishwasher-friendly. Get a deep clean every time with the OXO Bottle Brush. Its long, flexible neck reaches inside even the tallest bottles, pitchers, and carafes, while the stiff blue bristles handle tough corners, and the soft white bristles take care of delicate glassware. BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, this brush can be easily stored in a caddy or hung for convenience. Peel and devein shrimp in a single swift motion. The OXO Shrimp Deveiner features a sharp, stainless steel blade that glides through shrimp effortlessly. Its plastic guard protects your hand, and the ergonomic handle is non-slip even when wet. Whether you're prepping shrimp for a feast or a simple dinner, this tool makes it fast and easy. Crack open tough shellfish or nuts with ease. The OXO Seafood and Nut Cracker's ridged teeth provide a strong grip, while its ergonomic design reduces hand strain. Soft, non-slip handles give you control, even when your hands are wet. Whether it's crab claws, lobster shells, or almonds, this cracker handles it all like a pro. Flip and grip like a grill master. The OXO Grilling. Tongs and turner set features a stainless steel turner with a wide, beveled head for flipping burgers with ease. The double bend design gives you leverage, and the non-slip grips ensure control even when things get hot. And with a handy hanging ring, storage is a snap. Say goodbye to messy countertops. The soap dispensing sponge holder lets you dispense soap with just one hand, making cleanup a breeze. The drip tray keeps sponges elevated for faster drying, while the convenient design eliminates cluttered soap bottles. Plus, it comes apart for an easy, thorough clean. Perfect for keeping your sink area tidy. Making leaner, healthier meals is easy with the OXO Fat Separator. It separates fat from your gravies, soups, and sauces in seconds. The built-in strainer catches bits you don't want, while the silicone valve ensures no leaks. With clear measurement markings and a non-slip handle, it's both efficient and easy to clean. This 4-cup wonder is a must-have for meal prep. Crack open oysters like a pro with the OXO Oyster Knife. Its sturdy stainless steel blade and bent tip make prying shells a breeze. The soft, comfortable handle won't slip, even when wet, giving you the perfect grip. And when you're done, just pop it in the dishwasher for quick cleanup. Measure with precision using the OXO Food Scale. Its sleek stainless steel design resists smudges and fingerprints. The pull-out display prevents shadowing from large plates, and the zero function lets you weigh multiple ingredients. With unit conversion at the press of a button, this scale is a game changer for any cook. Cook healthier with the OXO Roasting Racks. These elevate food above fat and liquids for crisp, even roasting. Perfect for everything from poultry to veggies, the open design ensures proper air circulation. Stack them for extra elevation, and when you're done, cleanup is a breeze. Tackle shellfish like a pro with OXO Seafood Scissors. The curved stainless steel blades easily slice through crab claws, lobster tails, and shrimp. Plus, the built-in cracker and non-slip handles make seafood prep easier than ever. OXO's Dough Rolling Bag ensures perfectly round crusts every time. The zippered, non-stick silicone bag keeps your counters clean, while its measurement markings help you roll consistent pies and pizzas. Easy to use and dishwasher safe, it's a baker's dream. Rinse grains effortlessly with the OXO Rice Colander. It's designed for the perfect water flow to wash rice, quinoa, and more. With soft, non-slip handles and tiny square holes that keep grains in place, this colander is also great for rinsing berries. A smart kitchen essential. Tired of freezer spills? The OXO No-Spill Ice Tray makes narrow ice sticks that fit perfectly in water bottles. The silicone lid seals the water in for spill-free freezing and can be stacked or stored at an angle. It's compact, easy to fill, and cleanup is easy. And that wraps up our OXO gadget lineup. If you loved exploring these smart kitchen tools, you'll definitely want to check out our Joseph collection. Both brands offer innovative, space-saving designs that make cooking and organizing a breeze. Trust me, if you're into clever kitchen solutions, Joseph is right up your alley. Check this video out.